No, not a good angle. Let's move over here and we'll try again. Yeah, okay, yeah, that looks good. You got a good frame, you look good. Okay, here we go, ready? Okay, turn your head that way. Yeah, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Not my favorite. I'm gonna move this way a little bit, try a little bit of a different angle. Oh, maybe I'll do this way. So just turn your, yeah, oh, wait, okay, ready? And, killer, awesome. Oh, hey, sorry, didn't notice you. I was so excited. I was just taking some pictures and it's so much fun. I love taking pictures. Photography is one of my absolute favorite things. Do you love photography? Do you love taking pictures? I knew it. I knew it. Why else would you be here? But did you know that you don't need this fancy camera stuff? You don't need that. All you need is a cell phone. And it doesn't matter what kind of cell phone. You can have an Apple cell phone. You can have an Android cell phone, old, new, doesn't matter. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use your cell phone to take really cool pictures. All right, and then after that, I have a challenge for you. Here's today's challenge. We are going to take pictures of our toys. How cool is that? I mean, you get to play with your toys and take pictures. Love it. And I mean, come on, R2-D2, super cool. So that's our challenge for today. I meant for that to not fall on the floor. So we are going to go take some pictures today, and I've already said that, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to use your camera to take some awesome pictures. And if you like this series, if you wanna see more of these kind of photos, I have lots of really cool photo challenges that we can do. So let's go take some pictures, we'll come back, we'll take a look, and we're gonna have some fun. Are you ready?
All right, so I'm going to show you how to take pictures using your cell phone, and I'm going to record the screen of my cell phone so that we can do this together. Are you ready? The first thing you need to do is you need to go and click into your camera app. There we go. And it's going to bring up your screen. Now this yellow box here is your focus point, and if you touch different parts of your screen, different parts of your picture will be focused. Okay, so you want to pick the part that you like. Now it's also really important to hold it steady. We don't want anything like that because your picture will be blurry. So hold it as still as you can, hit the focus, and hit your picture button. It's easy. Then if you want to see your picture on the bottom left, you click on it, it pops up, and you can examine your picture to see if you like it. Or you could go to your photo gallery and you can see all the photos that you have taken in your camera. Easy peasy. Alright, so for this first shot, I basically just have Spider-Man in the forest, which is kind of odd for Spider-Man considering he's always in New York City. But sometimes that is also cool to do something a little bit different. So, since I put him here, so what you kind of want to do is like surround him by things, right? So we see here, you know, he's got some leaves around here, he's got the stick. Make him look like he's bigger than he actually is. Alright, then what you're going to do is you're going to take your camera, and again, you're going to get as close as you possibly can so that he looks like larger than life. We're going to hit that focus button. Get in there, take some cool shots. I'm going to focus on his hand here because he's got the web out. Also, turn your camera different ways. So I'm going to turn it upside down so I can get this really cool, like, low angle shot of Spider-Man, which is really fun. And maybe you shoot from above. It's also kind of cool to get some framing in there as well. So find some leaves that you can hold in your hand. So I got some here. Got some leaves here. So try and like shoot through the leaves a little bit. Give it some more depth. Make sure that you're focusing on what you want to be focused. Very cool. Another thing you want to look for outside is textures, okay? Because inside, you're kind of going to just get all the same textures, right? Like you're going to get carpet, you're going to get wood, you're going to get tile, but you can't get this cool mossy texture or like the texture of the leaves behind outside, or inside, sorry. So you want to make sure that when you're looking for locations outside, that you're looking for something unique and different. Well, maybe I'll turn him a little bit like that so you can see more of his little legs there. So the same thing that we talked about with Spider-Man, you want to make sure that your composition, which is how your picture looks, is exactly what you want. So if I just put the camera here and took a picture,
I mean, that's still pretty cool, but it's not like the coolest. So what we want to do is we want to get some angles. We want to get some of that texture in the picture. So don't be afraid to put your camera down and get that texture in the photo. Right? We want to make sure we get that. We want to make sure we get the coolest picture we can get. And even some like abstract pictures like this one is basically just, if I can focus it, there we go, just his leg, which I think looks cool too. Details, right? Photos are all about the details. We want to make sure we capture his best side, you know? Do all kinds of cool stuff. See him right here? Power Ranger's falling. Maybe he's not falling, maybe he's trying to get to R2-D2. I don't know. Let's try that. So again, we get these cool angles where it looks like we see like the bottom of the Power Ranger, and then we just see R2-D2 up in the corner there. I think this is a pretty cool photo. Okay, wasn't that like the coolest, going outside, finding all those cool locations to take pictures of our toys? Like, who knew our toys could look that cool? I mean, I love it. The Spider-Man one, like this one, boom. Great shot. I mean, look how cool he looks. He's all like Spider-Man and superhero-ish and looks really awesome. And not to mention this one, R2-D2, right there. I mean, how cool does he look? It looks like he's actually on one of those Star Wars planets that I don't actually know about, but I heard that they're pretty cool. Either way, it doesn't matter. Look how cool those pictures are. I mean, awesome. And you know what? I want to see your pictures too. So if you can find me on Instagram, I'm gonna put it right, boom, right there on the screen. Just tag me in your photos because I want to see them. I want to see what your toys look like out in the real world. All right, and then join me next time because I have some more really cool photo challenges for you. Until next time, stay creative. See you later.